Official tharigo kaisa Tipramothani Bhutan Sabha Angka Kodipti Korbuk Jalai ADC Village ni bisingo khopsa tubaino raja parao a Bhutan Sabha Khaimanjak Paikya 28 monopongkol ni ex candidate Don Tripura TWF Central Secretary Energy David Tripura Kolbu Political District Tony Rajomatia District YTF ni Vice President Gopal Tripura Korbuk Block Committee ni Joint President Sonamon Tripura a Bhutan Sabha kaisa joining program bongka aro Tal Bidal Party ni Kurunglobutar joining paket Tripura Mothao
Sentiri Suri Rosa Paranga Khajak joining program ini Thansani Marigo Bok Raja Subasur ni bai Tripura Mothao joining kaya ambona belak hakasang mabai hamdama yaphao de je phagi ho tongnai sini Thansani Marigo jotro phagi hine ang kobo